Hello guys, I want to show you how I secure these coils to make it last longer. I remove the bendy rollers from the coils, and after removing the bendy rollers I apply serum on my palm and apply it direct to it, so you don't need to comb out the coils. If you want to secure the coils to last longer, you only separate the coils with your hands. Don't use comb at all, don't use comb, so it can last longer. It can give you these coils, so you just use your hand to separate it. Don't use comb at all. So after applying my serum, I'm going to use my earwax to flatten the front. After applying the earwax to flatten the front, I'm going to take my straightener to flatten the side of the wig. I'm not using the straightener to flat all the whole wig. I'm just using it to flat the side of the wig so it can lapse very well on it and it can look so nice. And after using the flattening tongue to flatten the side, I'll now use my hot comb to flatten the front very well so it can give me the vibe I want on this wig. So I'm using the hot comb to flatten it now to make it neat, to make it look so good. And don't forget, I said don't use comb to comb these coils. If you want it to last longer, just use your hands to separate the coils. That's the only way you can make the coil stay for some times before you start combing it out. So just relax and watch this video to the end so you can get what I am trying to explain here. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, please try to like, comment and share, and don't forget to follow me. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you.